Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you step by step how to add counting bot to Discord. So if you want to add to Discord, go to your Discord server, get to app directly this option, click on this one, and then from the search bar, search for counting. This is the keyword, click the first one. This is app overview, as you can see here. To add this counting to your Discord, click add app and then choose server you want to add. For example, this is my server, click continue. After that, click authorize, and then you will wait for you are a human, and then click confirm you are not a bot. From here, click this one. As you can see, it was added successfully without any problem. So basically, this is how you can do to add counting to your Discord. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching. Just go to test and then you can use success.